Yesterday, as I was browsing the internet, I came across an intriguing music reel. When I checked the stats, I was shocked. It had gathered 61 million likes in just 4 days. Crazy, right? But it wasn't just that video. All their uploads have racked up millions of views. So, I decided to dig a little deeper and found a channel doing something similar on YouTube. They managed to gain over 250,000 subscribers with just 61 videos in only 4 months. Impressive. But they made a critical mistake that prevented their content from being monetized. I'll explain what that mistake was and how to avoid it later in the video. So, stick around till the end, and let's dive into how you can make this kind of content yourself. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create images of hybrid animals. You can easily generate these by using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask for an image generation prompt for a bull and scorpion hybrid, for example. You'll instantly get a detailed prompt. If you want to create different hybrid animals, just replace bull and scorpion with the animals of your choice. Now that you have the prompt, copy it and head over to an image generation tool. You can use platforms like Leonardo AI, Ideogram, or Midjourney. For this demonstration, I'll use Ideogram. Sign into your account, where you'll have access to some free daily tokens. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT, select the 16:9 ratio for the image size, and click Generate. The tool will provide you with 4 images. Pick the one you like best and download it to your computer. Let's create another one. This time, I'll ask ChatGPT for a prompt to generate a hybrid of a wolf and a dragon. Copy and paste that prompt into your image generator, and voila! You can even tweak the prompt to suit your preferences or ask ChatGPT to adjust it for you. Repeat this process to create all your hybrid animal images. Now, on to step 2. Animating your images. You can use Luma AI or Pika Labs for this. Luma AI often has long wait times, so let's stick with Pika Labs for now. Upload one of your hybrid animal images, and in the text box, type something like add motion. I've already created one for you to check out. So let's see how it looks. Pretty cool, right? Do this for each of your images, then download the animated versions. The next step is to create an image where both animals are facing each other. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt to generate an image of a wolf and dragon facing each other. Now, repeat the same process. Copy the prompt, generate the image, and download it. With all your images and animations ready, it's time to add sound. To make your video engaging, choose some energetic background music and throw in animal or monster sound effects. If you want to use the exact same music as the popular channel I mentioned earlier, look for Montam Music Chorale. Just be sure to give proper credit in the description to avoid copyright issues. You can also find copyright-free music on platforms like Pixabay and YouTube's audio library. If you're posting on Instagram or TikTok, you can use any music available on those platforms. Now, if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover, leave the name of the channel or some relevant info in the comments. I might just pick your suggestion for my next video. Alright, let's move on to the final step, editing. I use CapCut for this, but feel free to use any video editor you're comfortable with. First, import all the images and animations. Drag the image of the 2 animals facing each other into the timeline. Then, add the hybrid animal animations you created in Pika Labs. If you're using a free version of any tool, the animation might come with a watermark. No worries, you can either blur or crop it out, or even add your own watermark over it. Next, add all the other images and videos into the timeline, one by one. Then, insert the background music you chose earlier, along with the animal or monster sound effects to enhance the vibe of your video. To make your content even more dynamic, add animations to each image and video clip to give them some movement. You can also experiment with visual effects like sparks or lightning, depending on the mood of your video. For a finishing touch, go to your browser and search for a neon plus icon. Download an image, import it into CapCut, and place it over the image where the 2 animals are facing each other. To remove the black background, select the image, go to the blend section, and choose the screen option. Now the background is gone. Copy this effect and apply it to other images where needed. And there you have it. That's how you can create a captivating animal fusion video. Before I show you the final result, let's talk about why the YouTube channel I mentioned earlier didn't get monetized. The issue was that they didn't add any unique content of their own. They simply uploaded videos with images and music, which YouTube doesn't recognize as original. To avoid this, you need to contribute something personal, like using your own voice, or even an AI-generated voice. For example, you could say, "What would it look like if a bull and scorpion were combined?" and narrate throughout your video. Adding this unique touch increases your chances of monetization. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.